Hi, I'm Kate, co-founder of OPTY.NC, naturopath and formulator. Today I want to talk to you about Moisture Surge, which is one of our ingestible probiotic serums. So this one is our hydration super booster serum. So this one, as with all of our products, works first in the gut to ensure that we're protecting that gut lining, getting those epithelial tight junctions working really well. That then has those benefits via the gut-skin connection in the skin. So this one has really been designed to improve that skin barrier function to lock moisture in. So how do we do that? We've got a couple of really important, beautiful actives in here. So first and foremost, we've got hyaluronic acid, which as we know is a skin super booster for hydration. So it absorbs a lot of moisture and holds that moisture in the dermis. So it's plumping, it's skin smoothing, and very, very hydrating. Secondly, we have a ceramide in there. So ceramides actually work to improve the skin barrier function to stop any transepidermal water loss. Sitting on top of that and around that, we've got, of course, all of those essential nutrients for skin healing, antioxidants. So you've got zinc, vitamin C. So a beautiful combination just to ensure that we're supporting that skin's barrier and locking in moisture. So this one is a berry flavored ingestible serum. So as with all of our liquids, super easy to take. This one can go straight under the tongue. It's just 2 droppers a day. So that's your full dropper serve straight into the mouth, can go in your water or your smoothie. Really easy to take, really delicious. So this is for anyone experiencing dry or dehydrated skin, and that can come about for many different causes. So could be seasonal changes coming into winter. You might find your skin gets drier. Could be hormonal changes due to menopause. Could just be dry scalp. Never forget about the skin on your scalp. So anywhere where there's dry, cracked, flaky skin, supporting hydration of that and supporting healing of that dry, cracked skin. So that's it there, your Moisture Surge Hydration Super Booster Ingestible Probiotic Serum.